How to delete your Badoo dating account on your iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from How to Geek. In today's video, I will show you the way on how you can delete your dating account on Badoo. But before we get started with the video, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So first of all, if you've not been able to delete your account from your iPhone, it's a little bit tricky. So first of all, what you want to do is you just want to go ahead and open up the Badoo application. Once you open up Badoo, make sure you're logged into your account. And if you want to delete your account, what you have to do is from the very bottom right, first of all, tap on profile icon in order to go to your profile page. Once you come to your profile page, you'll see all sorts of various options. So what you have to do is on the top left corner, you can see this little gear icon, which is the settings icon. So go to the settings icon over here. And once you come to the settings page, you'll be able to see a list of all these various options. If you look at the bottom, you have this option which says account. So go ahead and then simply select account. As soon as you select account, at the very top you have the option to hide your account, which means to actually temporarily deactivate your account but not completely delete. It is as similar to deleting it, but it's not really about deleting. Instead, what you want to do is if you look closely at the bottom of the screen, you have this little faint text which says delete account. But if you don't see this option, then it means that your email address is not verified. So go ahead, tap on your email, complete the registration process, reload the Badoo app, and now you'll be able to see the delete account button. So what we will do is we will simply go ahead and then tap on the delete button. So after you tap on the delete account button, you'll see all kind of interface such as this. It will ask you for a confirmation to actually hide your account or to permanently delete it. If you look at the bottom, you have another option again which says delete your account. So make sure and be very careful on this. So go ahead and select delete your account and then tap on the continue button. As soon as you tap on the continue button, what you can do is right over here, it will ask you to again actually change your mind by trying to subscribe to premium. But we're going to ignore that and look at the bottom of the screen again, that says no delete my account. So go ahead and select no delete my account. Once you've done so, you could go ahead and select any of the reasons as to why you want to delete your account, and now you could tap on the delete account button. And as soon as you've done that, your Badoo account has been successfully deleted. And this is how you can delete your Badoo dating account on your iPhone. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries, or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.